wrote this backend? Can you?
Okay.
Yeah, can you run that front end part? Which UI you have made this one? So UI you wrote somewhere else and the backend you wrote somewhere else, right?
Yeah, actually it's VS Code. I wrote here only UI part by through React, and here and STS I wrote my backend part.
That project is running in Eclipse, right? That is the
Yeah,
Spring Boot project.
yeah. This is my UI part is in a VS Code.
Okay,
It's
so
I
you should
wrote in
keep it
React.
over there, right?
So I can't understand.
You are not getting my point of view, right?
No, no, no.
Just you wrote UI in this VS Code, right? Only.
Yeah.
But for the same backend you wrote inside your Eclipse, Spring Boot.
I actually backend only for connected with database.
So that database you have connected, but for the same front end, right? Whatever the data you
Yeah,
are giving.
actually, if I want to connect with backend and front end, in React only we need Axios means cross. The if I put backend code, actually I show you my code.
No, no. What my query is, like you wrote the front end in the note, like this
VS code.
VS Code only, right? Front end part, right?
Yeah,
Over here you are giving the data.
yeah, it's
Have and for the same UI you wrote the backend in the Eclipse using a Spring Boot, right?
actually Spring Boot we no need any front end. Actually, only I did this here the connection between database and backend.
Okay,
And
fine.
for connecting with UI, I showed you the code. Yeah. When we working in Java, we need to add our content page in the backend, like JSP, like that XML. But here, no need. Only I provide my front end localhost here. This is HTTP localhost. This is my front end. It's come from front end.
Okay, what is your next plan?
This one.
What is
And
your next plan?
uh, next one means it's which one I want to create. It's completed. I show you. Uh,
Samarth, are you there?
Yes, yes, I'm here only.
So please check this is the code written in the React.js.
Yeah, one sec.
uh,
Give me 1 minute.
Yes, Anita.
yeah, it's running. Right. It's getting some error now, but since yesterday it's finally
Okay, no
working.
issue, Anita. You are good in progress. Just do one thing. You are still working on this, na? Right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so whatever the remaining thing, just you work on this and try to finish it.
Yeah,
And
I
yeah,
created one hotel menu application, but there is only menu items and one nav bar.
okay,
By
no
to
issue. Whatever the you are issue facing, you are, because you are currently in progress. So just work on it, finish it, complete it, and yeah. So that's all. You are
yeah,
good in progress. You can stop your sharing.
okay.
Who will be the next?
Hello.
Yeah, Tejas. Can you
Right.
please share it?
Yes. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Tejas.
Yeah. So yesterday I was doing functions, types of functions in JavaScript.
Okay.
There are two types: arrow functions and header functions.
Okay.
So uh, this is arrow function. This is same as the lambda function in lambda expressions in
Yes.
Java. So simple. We created function hello world,
Okay.
and we have this is a syntax of arrow function bracket.
Okay.
In each bracket we have passed parameters,
Yes.
and this is a body of function,
Okay.
and then I am just executing the calling the function.
Done it.
So output will be hello
Okay.
world.
Okay.
So, and so this is a arrow function,
Next one.
and this is a higher order functions.
Okay.
And text dot.
Remaining all, you got the attendance sheet in the chat box. So try to fill it. And then after I'm continue with these stages. So you till then you can fill this form attendance sheet form in the chat box. Thank you.
Yeah, so
Yeah, Tejas.
this is a higher order function. The higher order function is a function in which we pass object arrays or other function as a parameter. So
Okay.
here I am created a array radius const array, then we pass and then can created functions calculate area to calculate
Okay.
the area of circle, and then calculate circumference to calculate circumference and diameter, and then passing the radius as a parameter.
Okay.
So and then returning the output of
So in the
in,
radius you are having multiple data, right?
yes, more
So
than one radius,
so
three
based on
one two
that it
four.
will calculate. Okay.
Yes,
So
four I'm
four.
taking radius
Yeah.
four.
Execute this one.
This is executed.
Yeah, that's what. Can you run it?
Yes, it's already running. Sorry, this is in console.
Okay, okay. You're calculating the area.
This is the area. This first one is the area. Uh,
But area
so
of how? What's the parameters?
parameter is just this radius. I am
Okay,
passing through
3, 1, 2, 4.
3124.
Okay,
Four parameters I'm passing
alright.
here.
Can you change the parameters once, like 5, 7, 8, and 6?
It's already changing in a console also. 7.
Okay. It's simultaneously changing. Okay.
And the same second example, but um,
Yeah, by the way, Tejas, you can do one more thing is, uh, see, usually human beings, they don't go more than 2 or 3 decimal numbers. So you can reduce it down that entire digit to last
Yes.
two decimal numbers.
uh, this is automatically okay,
Yeah, so
output reading.
you can reduce it also. It's not like
But
you can't reduce it.
okay, sir, I will see
Because
how
see,
to
let
reduce
me
it.
tell you one thing, a computer can generate 100 digits also after a decimal. But it is no more usable if consider we want to take the output, right? How do you get in calculator? In calculator, it will provide hardly 1 or 2 decimals extra. Whenever you are calculating any area or any circumference or consider anything. So in that you will be having decimal points till I guess 2 digits as far as I know. So they will not have this much of a big number where you don't need to worry about what's the next out of it. When you're asking for it, then okay. But right now To be this much accurate, nobody is gonna use it
This
in
is
the
automatic printing, sir. I don't know how to reduce it. This is an online compiler, so
Yes,
Tejas, what you will have?
in the
Oh, okay,
code, you
okay.
can just use the function for only providing the decimal. Like for only two decimals, you can put the function also like that.
Yeah. So Tejas, for example, like in the code Java, we are using na percent. Like if we want to print after in C also we are using na percent
mm-hmm.
D, then
Mm-hmm.
0.2f means what? In float up to 0.2 decimal, we'll have to print it.
Okay,
Note.
okay.
So just you Google it, you will get the things how to print. While console.log, na you have to mention
Mm-hmm.
that one. How you are doing that one? How you will do? Just you check it, you will get it. Right? So just check on it, work on it, and yeah, today complete it, and tomorrow you
Yeah,
can.
so I guess Pile has provided this one also, that is dot to fixed in the chat box.
Yes,
So you can do that also, and we can put the output.
yes.
Yes, sir. And this is also
Apart
second
from
example
this,
in which
okay.
we reduce the code.
Let us
We,
just go and learn about this one, how to print. But you got the suggestion, right? So you have to
mm-hmm.
work on it.
Yes.
Thank you, Tejas. So
Okay.
what is which one is your next?
After this, yeah, this is a higher function second example, which
Yes,
reduce the code. This is a 34 lines of code, and reduce it to the only 26 and short it. So here I
Yes,
am
you could have reduced the. It's good that you reduced the code. Now you have to reduce the output also.
yes.
Yeah.
Here,
So yes, yes.
here I am passing both both the function radius and its logic. The here I'm creating a radius take and three functions I'm created: area, circumference, diameter, and created a function calculate, and I'm passing both this radius and area function as a parameter, and then
But
put returning output.
where is logic?
Logic is this logic is this area. This is logic area.
But how are you mentioning that logic should be area only?
Because when I'm passing the console dot log output, then I am passing this radius and area as a parameter, so it will automatically understand that the logic is the area,
Okay.
this calculate function.
So what will be the major difference between both of that?
Both of them is here we are using dry principle, do not here we are outputting, mm, we are creating a whole full function, uh, three time repeating the same thing, like we created a array and then we use for loop three times. So here we don't need to use a for loop also. We just created a constant array, calculate a function, and we for loop we have used for loop one time only, and we created output array also one time. Here we have created a for loop and output array three times. This this code is reduced. This
Okay. So you have optimized the code, and
Yes, sir.
what's the benefit of it?
The benefit of it is we don't repeat this code, like
Yeah, apart from not repeating the code, or apart from you have reduced the lines, what's the benefit?
it will easily understandable. Mm, or
And
it is also a dry principle, like do not repeat. If there is any, we can as much as we can short the code.
I want to hear one thing which I am still not hearing. So just one thing you are missing. What's the benefit of a smaller code?
Mm,
Time complexity, sir.
Memory is saving time
Memory.
complexity.
Yes. So time complexity as well as the performance. When your code is reduced, the performance and the speed will be increased. Your time for execution will decrease. So which your program will be much more, faster and easy to execute.
Hmm.
So that's where why every developer go with a compact code, why they have to reduce it, why the optimization is used. Optimize means what? You have to make it much better, and you have to make it in such way that it doesn't need much of a time. Usually for a coder or for a developer, time is everything. So anything which is reducing time, they will try to use it. So over here, by reducing your code, you have reduced your time and you have increased the performance. Because see, the computer will not take much of a time to utilize this code. So that's the major thing which you have to always remember whenever you're, decreasing the code or whenever you're trying to optimize anything.
Yeah, of course. It will also enhance, like as you said, time and performance. Definitely, it will enhance. But along with that, it will also like size. It will maintain too, right? Within less size, and we are able to write the code complete,
Yes.
right? So
So
time,
compactness
performance, as
is,
well as space also. It will
so
take less space.
Hmm.
yes, exactly. Yeah. So Tejas, I guess the progress is pretty fine for now. Yeah, anything else you want to showcase, or
No, sir. I only do this functions, type
What is your
functions.
next plan, Tejas?
what is your next plan?
Hmm. I will start with the promises, or I have not completed loops yet. Iterations, loops, and iterations.
Yeah,
So
okay, you can carry on. Thank you.
yes.
So Tejas, one thing you can do is, as you are using JavaScript only, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So you can do one thing is showcase this particular thing. Instead of showcasing this in console log, you can just showcase as a small HTML CSS part. Like provide a front end for this also. As in console log, usually see ultimately what we have to see is ultimately we have to see the user's perspective. How the user is getting benefits from our code. Let it be a small for loop also. So that's where a user will not go for a console log, right?
Hmm.
The user will always see like, okay, is it coming on my screen automatically? Then it's running. Then it is good code. So same for this smaller code also you can come up with a small HTML or CSS part where you can showcase like, okay, this is the input. You can give the input form and you can get the output over there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, for now it's pretty fine. You can stop sharing the screen.
Hello.
Yes, Payal.
Yeah. Can I share?
Yes, please carry on.
This one is my Excel sheet. Yesterday I am learning about event listener callback function and create a one game TikTok game. Yeah. First I run. Yeah. This one is my game code. Here. Can I show output first?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Here I write 0 or X. You know what's the game?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
tic-tac-toe.
Yeah. Here 0. Then after X. Then after 0. X here. If I write here 0, then you're winner.
But in this,
Yeah. Who is winner? I don't know.
exactly.
Yeah. This one
There
is
should
my
be
next plan.
two people
Yeah.
player, right?
Yeah. This one is my
So
next plan, and also reset game. We
who
are
is the
learning about.
player, as well as you have to decide the score also.
Yes. Yeah. This one is the next plan for me.
Yeah, do one thing, reset once. Put
Uh,
on the top left.
here.
Yeah, put on. Yeah, now play on your side.
What?
Play on your side.
Okay, my side. Okay. Then
Okay, and put on the right bottom corner.
here.
Bottom. No, no, bottom. Yes.
Yeah.
And again, put on the middle, middle
Here.
bottom. Yes. Okay, top right.
Here. Okay. Then it's my turn.
Okay, top left. I mean the rest remaining.
Yeah.
So there is nothing called as tie.
Yeah.
You have to showcase that yes, it is a tie also, because
Okay.
nobody win over here, and the game, it's like there is no progress.
Yes.
So
Yes.
over here it should showcase also that yes, it is a tie.
Yes.
And either you can do is don't give point for anyone, or either give both as one point
Okay. Okay.
for the score, as well as try to have a subtle color, because these both colors are a little bit too much, you can say, bright and on the eyes. So that's that.
Okay.
Yeah, apart from that, it's pretty good.
Mm.
So what's the next? You're using this by React?
No, no. The JavaScript
Okay,
only.
just JavaScript.
Yeah. This one
All
is
right,
a HTML code. This is
got
a
it.
script and sorry CSS, and this one is a JavaScript. Only.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right, all right.
Yeah. Another event here. I am using on click on double click on mouse over on. Sorry.
Can you run this code?
Yeah. Yeah. Here, if I over the mouse here, it changes the background color gray. If move, then it changes the background color pink. If I click here, then it also changes background color yellow. If I double click here, it changes the background color.
Click
What
it
is your
again.
next plan,
And
Payal?
yeah, in reset button add in a TikTok game and also score.
Oh, okay, that's
Hmm.
it.
Yeah,
You are good in progress then.
Okay,
yeah.
it's pretty good progress for now.
Yes.
Thank
For yeah, so what I want to tell you, like yeah, this is the small but good progress, right? So yeah, carry on. And yeah.
thank
So anything else?
you.
So I think you can stop
Yes.
sharing
Yeah, for
and
now you
continue.
can stop sharing the screen.
Yes.
And what's your next plan?
Continue with this game.
Yeah, because see, continuing that game means that it will not take much of the things. You just have to add
Yeah,
so this one, a winner and two player, and you have to just add a score.
yeah.
Apart
So
from
this
that,
topic for JavaScript, like a sync await function,
okay, how many hours you are putting on this?
4.5 hours.
Mm-hmm. Okay, try to increase a bit more. Okay,
Okay, okay. Thank you.
yeah. For now, that's pretty much from my side. So yeah, who's gonna go next?
Can I say?
Yeah, sure.
This is my progress report.
Okay,
What I've
started with
done is
patient module plus doctor module. Wait 1 minute. Click on admin once and click on doctor. Okay. Yeah, carry on.
Once I enter email and password,
You have not done any validation, right?
yes sir, right now I'm doing the page to
Okay.
complete the
Yeah, no problem.
here. Here I completed. It is a dynamic. Here you can see the total appointment for a particular doctor, and
So
from
this
here
is
we
storing
can,
in a database.
yes sir.
Okay.
Suppose here from uh, doctor can see he or he, doctor can see the details of patient, and from here it can doctor can comment from here. Suppose uh, if you want doctor wants to comment like consulted successfully, then here it will status will be updated and comment button will be disabled, and if not then it is showing pending.
Okay.
And
And why the comment button will be disabled?
disabled are due to the successfully checkup or successfully consulted.
If
If not
consider if,
uh,
if consider one doctor wants to change the comment.
after completing all the things, then it will be disabled. Otherwise it is showing pending.
No. In consider in between, the doctor wants to put a progress status as like, yeah, in the progress. Okay. Or consider like, okay, checkup for next week, checkup scheduled for next week, and then once the checkup is completed, then he can again put right. Yes, it
Yes
is
sir.
consulted. So you can do is you can put a edit button also.
Yes sir. Yeah.
See, if you put next week, then after that, though never the doctor cannot put any status afterwards.
Yes and we can add here edit button also, or not to disable.
Yeah, you can just put edit, or maybe don't disable it. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay sir.
So
And also here from suppose from here sir, admin can see the all the doctor availables and user login and a total appointment. From here doctor can add the specialist. Suppose if I earn like a specialist and neurologist, then from here add, it will automatically get this from 17 to 18.
okay.
And also from here, from admin module, you can see the patient details and the doctor name who is taking the appointment.
Hmm.
That's from my side, sir.
Okay. What's your next plan?
Sir, to complete the remaining module, and after completing this, I will add it to like a SD bootstrap footer section, and next plan to add a JavaScript to control the forms.
Okay. Yeah. That's pretty much from my side. You can stop sharing the screen. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can I share my
Yes, Nikhil.
this is the report level. Accept.
I complete this error solve, sir. This is the progress bar error, sir. But sir, I the one error here, sir. I type this name here, sir. There will be the same declare this declaration will be the here, sir. This text box, sir.
Yeah, Chandan, can you please carry on?
Yes,
Yeah.
hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nikhil. So what's the issue you are having?
Sir, I click the type name, sir. This input and checkbox will be the printing alternative mail ID, sir. There will be some error here.
You are very less audible. Can you check your mic?
Sir,
Yeah.
Yeah, Nikhil, your voice
sir,
is
I'm
very
audible.
low. Can you speak up loud or can you
Yes, sir.
change your
I'm
mics?
audible, sir.
Yes, audible.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I type this name here, sir. But this check circle will be the printing alternative mail ID. There will be some error here, sir. I solve this progress bar here, error solve here.
Okay, Nikhil. So for this issue, you connect me later on. We'll be giving the solution because your project is having a lot of pages, right? So it will take
Yes, sir.
it
Right,
will
sir.
take more time, right? So we'll have to
Yes,
very
sir.
quickly we'll have to check with everyone. So as
Okay,
usual,
sir. But
earlier
sir,
you had connected. So connect with me. We'll be giving you the solution.
okay, sir. The progress bar error will be solved here, sir.
Yeah, it is working. What was the issue with that? Only that issue
Yes,
with you had with that JavaScript code, or you have done something else?
JavaScript,
Yeah.
sir. One minute.
What's the changes you have done?
Yeah, 1 minute, sir.
Because yesterday we have checked it, right?
Yes, sir.
Where did you change that
Sir,
one?
you can tell this index plus plus, sir. Right, sir?
Yes. Yes.
And this is the printing the current index, sir. I change this the only index and remove the -1, sir. There will be the okay working.
Yes, because this is only I was trying yesterday, but since you are having a lot of page inside your this project, na?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday
Yeah, right.
with index I was working or not? Yes, but a code like I had to scan complete. So now okay, anyhow you have completed that issue. That's a very good.
Yes,
And for this one, like a checkbox earlier it was not coming, but we had work on this too. So let us check on this.
yes, sir.
So it will take some time. So connect me after this meet, and
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
we'll try to solve because it is
Okay.
taking at least
Yes, sir.
30 to 40 minutes, right? More than that too.
Yes, sir. Sure. Sure,
You are
sir.
good in progress, Nikhil. You can stop. Who will
Yes,
be
sir.
the next?
Sir, shall I see?
Yes, Vikas.
Yes, sir. This is my progress report.
Wait one
Yesterday I
minute.
created.
Yeah. Okay. Now it is.
Yes, sir. Yesterday I created the front end part for a invoice processing system. So
Okay.
I completed.
Okay.
Now I should going to show them.
Go to the code.
Yes, sir. Here I first created the home page, home. In
Okay.
that I imported the all the main files. First
Which one you have used? JS or React Native?
React, and afterwards I created a header part for labeling and put an image in a main page. And
Okay.
afterward I created one more page, that is add invoice. In add
Okay.
invoice I created a four what called labels, I means text box. In that
Okay.
I can add my data. And after this I created a components, means add invoice
Can you run
definition.
this one?
Yes, sir. Wait a minute, sir. It's visible to you, sir?
No, still not visual output. Can you run this?
Wait a minute, sir.
Share the entire screen, not just a window.
Yes, stare it one.
Now,
Yeah, now it is visible.
now it's visible, sir.
Yes. Carry on.
See there. When I click on this, it shows the pending invoices text bars, text fields,
Okay.
and 1 minute, sir.
Fill that one and add. No, fill that one and add.
No, sir. I showing the process of this in
Okay.
using the. Okay. When I put my name.
Yes, that data will show over the console in that network, right? Data, it will go there, right?
This is my
Yeah,
vendor's
yeah. Put
name.
it. Put it. Do first.
It's storing inside the one object define files.
Yeah,
And
that is what cache only, right? Cookies and cache.
yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. So only front end
It's
part
a
you wrote, right?
printed. Yes, sir. And
What is your
I'm
next
going
plan?
to backend using Spring Boot, and I connecting with the MySQL. When
So
I
this invoice, because you have prepared for which project you have prepared this invoice, like
not
related with any products or what?
means it's used for maintaining the pending what's called payments. Means
Okay, yes.
when
For
you
which
buy,
project? Buy something, right? So this
it's a
is
mini
one part of,
projects.
oh, this is the part of only invoice for it. If we can use it in any our project, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. What is your
I'm
next plan?
learning Spring Boot, so I'm using some small
Okay, no
project
issue. What is
afterwards.
your next plan? That backend
Backend
part.
part for
Okay.
creating a front end and backend connections.
Which tools you will use in backend?
Spring Boot, sir.
Thank you.
Java.
Okay. Okay. You are good in progress. You can carry on. Stop sharing. You can. Who will be the
Thank
next?
you.
Hello,
Yeah. Who is this?
can I say?
Yeah, Javed.
So basically, I was on leave yesterday, so I didn't do work. On Monday, I started my project like home
Okay.
company.
Okay.
Over a dashboard, I made this separate dashboard. So
Okay.
basically, I'm working on an LMS project of companies, that is company's project.
Your
And
dashboard, this card you have prepared over here, that's a very like in proper way,
yeah,
right? That's
yeah,
looking
yeah.
very nice, right?
If I
Okay.
click on the, I made the dashboard for different. I installed the also the for different page dashboard.
Yes, it's looking very nice. See.
Yeah. So my next task is to maintain over here the login authentication. Also, I made this search bar over here and drop down like in drop down I mentioned the home dashboard companies and details as well.
Okay, that's great. So you are working. You have used this React JS only, right? Language.
Yeah. Register and today I'm going to add a backend to it and also fetch the data from backend like this name one dashboard image as well. And also I made the search bar over here and also I'm
Okay.
working on authentication part like login logout as well.
Okay, you are good in progress. Carry on then. Thank you.
Okay, thank
You
you.
can stop sharing. Who will be the next?
Sir, I will show.
Yeah, Kati. Guys, who have not filled the attendance sheet, so you can check in the chat box. You are having that link, so you can fill that. And make sure that attendance sheet you are filling. So I have already seen that one. So many of the candidate only filling, leaving that domain. Cell is important. Domain is also important. In domain, you will have to put your respective domain, which domain you belongs, either Java full stack or MERN full stack. So only write Java or MERN. That's it. Bratosri, you can check that attendance sheet and you can fill that.
Sir, is my screen is
Sorry.
visible?
Yes, visual.
Yeah, this is my progress sheet, sir.
Go to the
Excel.
code.
Yeah, so I have added the update and delete fields to the, here is delete and here is
Can
update to
you
the
scroll down
student.
that
Yes,
console? Can you scroll down that console? Console is there, na? Can you scroll down? Because code is not completely visual.
yeah.
Yeah, yes. Scroll down. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is for delete and this is for update. I have added in student project. So it is
Okay,
done,
wait.
sir.
Sorry.
And for okay.
So, okay, it is always equal to PS dot X. Okay, fine. Scroll down. Scroll down.
Yeah, this is we have executed, sir. And all those we have
Okay.
completed yesterday only.
Okay, go to the
And for
project, student management system, and run over there.
yeah, it was completed, sir. Like I have just added two things as you
No, no,
suggested only.
run this one. I got it.
Okay.
So add and delete, you were working on that, right? So only particular page you are running. Just you right click on that student management system, then run. Okay, fine, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
so
update and
I'm
delete. See,
choosing four.
first wait.
Yeah,
First, so display that student, then you can update. Yeah.
okay, sir.
Now, which one is the details? Yeah, 4 Monica
Four.
Bangalore. Okay, now you can update it. Give the option 4. Yeah, update it. Student ID update. You had what was the student ID? 4 was right?
Yeah, so I have given four. And I
Okay.
will update the location. So
Okay.
till now it was Bangalore, na, so I will change
Yes.
it.
Hyderabad. Fine.
So if I display now,
Yes. Scroll up.
it will change it to
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yes. Update is working. Or delete. You do that delete. Remove that one.
Yes, sir. Four
4.
only.
Press 2.
And deletion successful. So if I try to
Scroll up.
display, no
No
students
status.
available.
Okay. No, nothing is available. With that imply what you gave. Scroll up. Means in database you are not having any record, right?
Yeah, so we have only one record, so that's got
You have
deleted.
deleted. Okay, fine. What is your next plan?
Yeah, actually for today I have worked on hotel management.
Okay,
So
so
these
that
I'm doing practice in the
concept which you have
same.
used with the student management system, right? That is complete CRUD operation, right?
Yes, sir.
Create,
Monica,
read, update, delete.
yes, Monica, you can do one thing is, can you try to put some other inputs?
And other inputs means like
Okay, do one thing, run the code.
okay.
Okay, and this, okay, this was a different, okay, it's fine. Can you just go for the student database once?
Database or program.
Yeah, yeah, student program. Can you run that student
Okay.
management program?
Okay, sir.
Okay, just add, otherwise do one thing, choose an option of 7.
Yeah, it will show invalid choice. Try
Valid
again.
choice, try again. Okay, and do one thing, click on 5 and choose anything, 3.
Actually, there are no records, so it will show student not available with the
Available
ID.
with the ID 3. Okay, alright. So you can do is when you're clicking 5, right? Instead of doing this, you can put the same logic while if consider there is no records, then it can directly whenever you're choosing for deleting an student, no, it can directly tell you that okay there is no records, so try to add a record.
Yes, sir.
So instead of letting that
Checking
person
for
to
the ID, it should check is there
yes.
any student exist or not. Yeah, got it,
Yes.
sir.
So checking for the ID, it can directly check if it is existing, then yeah, choose a ID. Or if it is not existing, directly tell ki students is not available and add a student like that.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Same for every other thing. If There is no student to display or to find.
Sure, sir.
Consider choose option 3. See, it is again asking ID, but
Directly
you don't
asking
have.
ID. So
Yes.
first I should check is anything exist in the table, then should ask ID. Got it,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. So yeah. Can you go to the hotel management once?
Yeah, this is also almost same similar concept, but I was doing for practice as I was recently learned JDBC. So
Got it. Got it.
here I have implemented three methods. I need to implement four and five options.
Got
Remaining
it.
three I have implemented. It is adding mission successful.
Okay.
And if I ask for show, it will show all the reservations. And when we want to get the room number with the ID, so then it should show what are the IDs. Then it will give the room number with the ID.
Got it.
I choose exiting the system. And I will upgrade these two methods today, sir, and I will implement the change you have suggested.
Okay. Cool. As well as
And
what's your
later,
next?
yeah,
Yes.
I'm wanted to learn Spring Boot next.
Learning Spring Boot. Okay. How much
Yes,
time
sir.
you have spent on this both?
This is from last Saturday, sir. I have started on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday I have shown the basic program, and yesterday student JDBC.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's a pretty good progress for now. Keep it up.
Sure,
And yeah,
sir.
you can stop sharing the screen for now.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Can I share, sir?
Yes. Please go on.
I ran this project. New user going to the account, create an account, register successfully, and going to log in. My login part, and here log out. This is admin panel.
Shubhadeep, same project, I think Shubham is also working. Is
Yes,
it so, right?
sir.
Are you working in a team?
Both. No, I guess both are having a different
A little bit
this
different,
thing
but
here.
complete same, right?
It's
At least,
completely same. It's
yeah.
like hospital management.
No,
Both are same.
no matter. But are you working in the team or individual?
No, no, no.
So something changes you have done, that is okay. But
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
okay, okay, no issue. But still you are in progress. Okay, carry on.
Yeah.
Just
And
whether project is same or not, no matter. But at least you should be in a position to learn, to know the things. What is the control?
Individually.
How the control is following everything. Like the desk, like over here, your page designing and everything are pretty much okay, right? So
yeah,
yeah, carry on.
it's complete. This is admin section. And admin dashboard. This is.
Great. More changes you have
I'm
done.
currently working in this project. It is not
Yes,
completed yet.
yes.
Yes.
Okay, carry on then. Fine. So 4, yeah, 4 over here you have it. Fine. What is your next plan?
And complete this project, full project.
Okay, thank you. You can carry.
So, thank you.
So while working on the project, while learning ourselves, while following the roadmap, we are learning each and individual topic one by one, right? But
Yeah.
while working on the project, whatever we have learned throughout the roadmap, the complete or whole thing we are going to implement in a project, right?
Yes.
So project is that much important. Means whatever we have learned, the same, all those things we have to recall at the once, right? Here we are doing but front end as well as back end. For the front end, many tools we are using, right? For the back end
But
also, we
this
are many
project,
tools using.
sir, this project, how to use Spring Boot and Hibernate, ORM
Yes,
concept,
yes.
how to use, sir?
So just you learn that Spring Boot, and because that is the backend part only, right?
Yes, sir.
So Shubham is already working on the same projects. Please you connect with that Shubham,
Sir,
and while
project is
connecting
not
with the Shubham,
finished.
definitely you will getting many things from him, and together you can work. Like if something new changes you will do in your project, you can also
Yes,
discuss
sir.
with the Shubham.
I asking you how to use Spring Boot in this project.
Gave you the answer, right? Shubham is working on this same project using the Spring Boot. Connect with them.
Okay.
Getting my point or not?
Yeah.
Thank you. You can stop. Who is the next?
Hello, sir.
Rahul, I think you have shown, right? Okay, carry on,
No,
Rahul.
sir, no.
Okay, please share your progress.
Yes, sir. As I have completed the CRUD operations for the employee management, then I am currently providing the front end part.
Okay. So
So
in which, okay, done it. In which you have used JSP and Servlet only.
JSP servlet and JDBC for the database connectivity.
Okay, go ahead. Execute this. You can minimize this console, output console, and just expand that code such that it will be visible, right? And also expand your project explorer. Project is not
Yes,
shown.
sir.
Okay,
As
go ahead.
last you have told me that to update the admin login when I
Yes,
am only
yes,
providing the welcome page. So I have
yes.
updated the admin login.
That's great. Which tag you have used? HR1, right? Now head
Uh,
one, H1, right?
yes, H1.
Okay, go ahead. That is basically meant for heading purpose.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Here and one more, I have provided one more option for get all the employee details.
Okay,
And here, employee details. Only two records are available in the
database.
database right now.
Okay,
And if we want to add the employee, then we can
yes.
add the employee by using all the provided.
Okay, great. Go ahead.
Okay.
Fill fast.
Yes.
Any name you can random. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
First, complete all those things. Then validation you can give like front end validation, right? But at least you finish this front end and back end as you have
Yes, sir.
done. So imply data shape successfully. Go back and check in that list of available.
Yeah.
See, okay, that's great. Working very fine.
Yes.
What is your next plan?
Yes, sir. Providing the all the options available for the admin, like
Yes.
employee details by ID, detail, delete employee, and update employee.
Okay, carry on. You are good in progress because while working on this, like front end you are working, back end you are working, logic you
Yeah.
are writing. For database also logic you are writing, validating.
Yes.
Yeah, if any error you are getting, still you are that one also you are removing and correcting, right? So you
Yes.
are good in progress, and this is the good way to learn and learn and improve yourself, right?
Yeah.
So,
Thank you, sir.
so you are good in progress. You can stop sharing. Thank you.
Good morning, Chandan.
Yeah, Vasil, good morning. So can you please share your progress, work progress?
Just a minute. This is my Excel sheet. On Monday, I was in leave due to my exams.
So Excel sheet is not visual. So on which you have worked?
Yeah, HTML and
In HTML, which part you have worked?
HTML regarding the fab icon and images regarding the products I mentioned in that.
Oh, okay. In bracket, you can mention over there five icons and okay. Go to the practical part.
Yeah. So I did this and logo part also delay regarding I am working on that.
I think I am able to observe like everyone is recording this session by their self, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
Yeah, I am doing this. Today I'm going to give the product prices and striking also.
Where is your fab icon? Can you show that one?
Tab icon. Here showing the recording something else.
No, no. Where is your fab icon which you have used? Where did you use that fab icon?
Just a minute. Here.
Where? Can you point that one?
Just a minute. Here showing something means zoom icons are showing in the top. That's why I am also not able to
Oh,
see
You
that.
can do one
okay,
thing, Bashir.
okay.
You can do one thing. You can just
Drag it down. Drag it
drag
down. You
it
will get.
down.
Yes, you will get that. Yeah, I were also facing the same issue because on the Zoom you will have that complete command over in the top, right? Yes. Now
Yeah,
you are able
this
to, yeah.
is
Yes.
the tab icon.
But is
Yes,
it
yes.
loading or that icon is
All
very
already
blur
showing.
and small?
So I am giving these icon. It's not loading. Just I mentioned the shopping online shopping icon. It's a product.
Already loaded, na? There.
Yes,
So go
Yes,
to
already
the
yes.
code.
loaded. Already
Go
loaded.
go to the
So
code.
you can do one thing, Bashir, is get a better icon which is more easily visible as well as it looks like okay, it
Yes.
is
Yes,
Yeah,
something.
okay,
but
I will do
but
that.
at least what was your motive, na? That you have
Yeah,
shown,
that
right?
got
Five
completed.
icon is visiting over there. That is most
Yes.
important because that is it is up to us. Any icon we can put, but the aim is what whether
The
it is
motive
showing or
is
not.
pretty much completed.
Yeah, objective we have fulfilled whether it is showing or not. That's good. Go to
Yeah,
the
thank-
code and can you give like showcase where the code you wrote for this five icon?
yeah, this title. After the title, I give the fab icon.
Before title also you can give or not?
Yeah, we can before the title and after the title. I
Okay,
give.
fine. But
Yeah.
but we have to keep it inside only our head tag, right?
Yes, title only.
No head tag. Head tag or title?
Head inside the head only.
Yes. What is your next plan?
Yeah, today I'm going to give the price of the products and a video also regarding the the products videos also I have to upload in the
As well
shop.
as from wherever you are getting the transparent, images, they are not transparent, I guess.
Yes, yes, it is not
Yes.
transparent. I
It
have
should be in
to.
complete HD, right?
Yeah.
So transparent, you can yeah remove that one and also see that the product it is showing zigzag, right?
Yes, yes,
It
yes.
is not in level, so yeah, you can work on it too.
Yeah, I will do all these things.
As
Better.
well as try to use PNG
Okay.
because transparency will be only shown in PNG, not in JPG or any other format.
Okay.
So
Thank you so much.
that's there. As well as can you scroll on the top? I guess the company logo itself is not coming.
Yes, yes. It was a JPG. It was not taking, so I have to do work again on this.
Yeah, because see, whenever you're working in any project now,
Yeah.
try to use these two formats majorly. One
Okay.
is PNG, second is SVG
SPG regarding.
regarding
SVG
all the
mode,
icons, all
SVG
regarding.
based, right? Yes, Aman.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, both are fine. PNG will be much better when you're using a larger scale images or transparent images.
Okay.
SVG is much better when you're
Smaller.
going for icons or
Yes.
buttons or a
Yeah.
fab, like your small logos or
Yes.
bullets or any of the smaller part which is like very subtle.
Yes, because
So
their
for that,
density is more. Whenever you will
yes.
expand that one, it will not like decrease the quality of your image. It will
Yeah, the
like
Yeah.
very
pixels will
pixel.
not
Yeah.
get
Yes.
expanded. So that's where make sure you are taking the transparency from a PNG only.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. I will do that.
But at least you are good in progress. Can carry on
Yeah,
with
the
your
progress
project.
is pretty good. Just a
Yes.
little bit tweaks and tips over
Yes.
that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Can I
Yeah.
stop sharing?
Yes, please
Yeah.
stop sharing and we'll go with the next person.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, Nilesh. Nilesh, you're not audible.
That is visible.
Yeah, just 1 second. Yes, it's visible.
So I work in database. The menu is part to back off.
Mm-hmm.
It's stored in this structure. Like I want to delete it, delete
But why
more
both?
items.
1 sec. Why both of them got deleted?
Yes, sir. There is take two IDs as the same. So I work to say the two product is the same product.
Yes, but if consider I want one product,
Yes, I will
and
change ID. Yeah.
yeah, another product I added. You can do one thing is you can just because anyhow you're adding two same products, right? You
Yes,
can
sir.
just increase the quantity.
Yeah. Okay. So
So you don't
I added.
require multiple of tabs opened in that side.
It's not a cart. It's a bag. So it stores only. It's my cart. So I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
add.
in the bag also, if you're wherever you're storing.
Yes, sir.
So there should be the quantity because anyhow ultimately you're having the same product.
Yes, sir. But here
In
I
the
will
bag
add
also, if
quantity.
consider in the bag,
Mm.
I'm ordering two devices, two watches.
Yeah. Okay, sir. I will work on it.
Yeah. If that two watches were different, but they
Mm.
were still the watch, then yeah, then you can have two different items listed.
Yeah. Okay, sir. I will work on. And now I work this page, but a security purpose I did not enter through inside payment details. So I stopped here this page.
Yeah, sure.
So it's my profile. I can add or delete whatever I can do. After that, I need to work all categories fulfilled. So I need to improve PHP to this files to HTML. So I think it's done in 2 days.
Okay,
If that's
just
done.
give me 1 sec.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Nilesh, one more thing is, you have done the cards correct, but the images and the text are still not aligned. Can you scroll down?
I need this description to send out.
Sorry?
So it's changing, but it's not change the color because I use
No, no,
it.
can you just scroll down once? Yeah, over here, as you can see, the images and the text are pretty much, it's not complementing the entire card.
Yeah,
It's
but
just looking like you have just copy pasted it. As well as scroll down a bit more.
it's changed.
Not this one. You just go to the other page. Yeah, over here. So as you can see, the alignment is a little bit disproportionate.
Yes, sir.
All the, wherever the images size is stopping, from there the content is starting. So that's where the alignment is getting a little bit disturbed because
Yeah,
some of your images are square, some of them are rectangles. So on the basis of the size, the content is moving.
yeah,
Yes.
So you can do one thing is you can fix that content in the below part,
yeah. Okay.
and in the middle you can, otherwise my suggestion is better come up with a fixed size of all the images.
Yeah, okay.
So
I
that's
will do
where
it.
it will be looking more uniform.
Mm.
And one more thing is try to get a transparent image
Yeah, okay.
where you don't require to, showcase the background, how much it is it big or small.
Mm.
Whenever you're taking a transparent image, you can utilize the surrounding space. You don't need to showcase where the thing is. As well as for the user also, we can't get to know where the image has started and ended. It's like
Mm.
that.
Yeah, okay.
So just because of your background and the rectangle and the square part, we can get to know, okay, here the image was ended. That's where it gives a feeling like it's not proportional.
Yeah,
So once it is transparent, just like in your Titan, consider the Titan watch, sorry, the noise watch
yes, sir.
which you have used. It's a perfect example for transparency. You don't get to know where and how it is started. So same like that, you can come up with the rest of the examples.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And what's your next plan?
I I improve more complicated because
Sorry.
I use PHP
Uh-huh.
for all products. If I can access on the front page, I need lots of work in PHP. I change this all fields to PHP
Okay.
after I complete my design.
All right. All right. Got it.
I need some.
Sorry.
I need sometimes because
Yeah. Yeah. No problem at all. How
I
much time you are putting for this project, by the way?
yeah, minimum 2 days. I will finish this. It's my target is Friday.
All right. Good. Good that it's good that you guys are having targets. Because without any deadline, no, the project will not end.
Mm.
One more thing that is, as you are in a home page, right?
Yes, sir.
You can mix the category, not only just the watches,
Yeah, okay. I will do work
because
on
you are having a e-commerce website, right? Everything is there, so you can mix the categories.
that.
Uh, Sometimes it can show the watches, sometimes it can show the dress, sometimes it can show the shoes or whatever the website is having.
Yeah, okay, sure.
You can take a very good, inspiration from Flipkart or Amazon's.
Mm.
No need of completely copying it, but at least have a smaller ideology of, okay, this thing is usable, this is not usable, like that.
Yeah,
Okay, that's pretty much from my side. You can stop sharing for now. Thank you.
thank you.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes, I'm Pradoshi.
yes, Pratoshi, please carry on.
Yes, actually, I was working on Java project for a few days,
Okay.
but the project is not running well due to my computer problem.
Okay.
Because of that, I can't show the project well today. Chandan helped me yesterday, but did not able to fix this problem. And that is actually my computer problem. Need to format or other.
Okay.
I started working on MERN stack. I set the computer for MERN, and I'm just following the video. I will show you practically.
Ritushri, that
For
issue you are facing with the NetBeans, just do
yes.
one thing.
Hmm.
You stop that project which you are running on the NetBeans. Just try to pick another project and work with the Eclipse. That's it. Your problem will get solved. If you
Okay.
will
Okay.
format your system, entire your data will go away, right?
Hmm?
So don't. If you will format your system, entire data will go away. Don't do that one. Instead of NetBeans, you use Eclipse. choose another project, leave that project. That's it.
Okay, okay. Okay, I will do that.
Okay, thank you. Who is the next?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anjali. Can you please share your progress?
Yeah, just a minute. Is it visible my screen?
Yeah, Anjali, wait 1 minute. Bratosri, your project is running, your project is correct, but issue is that with NetBeans only, right? So I have checked. So don't worry that you have not completed your project. Project is running as I have checked by my end also. Try to pick another project. Once you will get another laptop, or if you will have some other options to execute that one, in that case you can execute. But until then, don't stop. Pick another project and continue work because you will be in progress.
Otherwise, you can till then keep it on a pause and start
Yes.
working on the MERN project,
Yeah, any
which you
project,
are
yes,
willing for.
which you want. Yes.
So for that, though, you require VS Code, so there is no issue with Eclipse or any other IDE. So you can just work till then the MERN project, and as Chandan said, once the other thing is running, then we can go with that also. All right. So Anjali, yes, please carry on.
Yes. Uh, Actually, I was creating the REST APIs with this. The response will be shown to Postman. So, like, I have created the put get using a put and get like a mapping. So, if we want to create our course, so just we have to give a post command and just send it to it, and the output will be here. And if we want to I just given the URL courses only, so no need to change it, and it will update the uh, update this one. Hello.
Yeah, okay. So can you go to the output? Where is your output? Is it
Sorry.
running?
Yes, it
Okay,
is
fine.
running. It
What
is,
is your next
yes,
plan?
update. From actually, I have not work on like delete and put mapping. So if it works, so I will show tomorrow.
Okay, fine. You can carry on. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can start. Who is the next?
Can I say that?
Yes, Saurabh. Please share your screen. Progress.
Okay, this is my exercise. Yesterday, she
Okay.
started her search program and file uploading program with Ping MPC.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, this is upload image and
Okay.
choose my file and upload successfully. And file is this folder also. Sorry.
Where you have uploaded that one? Where is your file after upload?
Here is file uploads.
Over here.
This file.
Okay. Okay.
And that's program also.
Okay, so you can do also one thing. After uploading, you can have one button to view, right? If you will click on the view, it should show over the web page. What is your next plan?
My next plan is code operation about Ping MPC.
Okay, fine. You can carry on. Thank you. You are in progress. You can stop sharing. Who is the next? Amitesh, are you there? Yeah, Amitesh, am I audible to
Yeah,
you?
yeah. Good morning, Chandan.
Very good morning,
Morning,
Amitesh.
Samad.
Yes, good morning, Amitesh.
So, I've been working with the SQL intersection part, the
Okay, carry
advanced
on.
SQL,
Okay.
and I've been trying with the HTML part as well.
Okay.
this part to
Okay.
create and merge the part. I have
Run
not
this
done
one.
properly yet.
Run this. PHP you are using over here.
No, STM.
Which one?
PHP, yeah, for the local host connections I've been
PHP for
using.
backend,
I
right?
am Yeah, I've taken help with the net with the Google.
Okay, no issue. But you are
I'm
from the
not
Java background, right?
yeah.
Okay, no issue. Anyhow, just you can
I
use
was
that one.
just trying to how to
Okay,
merge
okay, no
the
issue.
things.
No, no issue. Run it, run it. Go to the output.
Yeah, and then output this student pop.
Okay, it is showing over here. Okay, fine. Okay, what is your next
Yeah,
plan?
I in the next plan that I've been learning with the advanced SQL analytic functions.
Analytic
This part
function,
I've been doing.
analytic functions for related with SQL, right?
Amitesh,
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yes, Samad.
are you maintaining the Excel sheet?
Yeah, I'm meaning, but the thing is that I am unable to access the opening. I've been trying to my Excel sheet, but it is not getting open.
So you can do one thing is you can just put it in Google Drive or something where you can
Yeah,
directly update it or directly showcase or fetch it.
yeah, I'll just be syncing that part.
Yeah. And that will be like a dynamic sheet then. You can you don't need to update, save it, or again update, save it. It will be dynamic. You can just use it from there. It's a suggestion for
Yes,
everyone. They can just use or they can just upload their Excel sheets in the drives so that in the local storage also you don't have the hassle to again and again update it. In the Google only you can go update it and come back.
yeah, sure, Samit. I'll
But
be looking
maintaining
forward with
a
that.
Excel sheet will be very much necessary because by that only we can denote what's your exact progress and we can utilize that.
Yeah, sure, Samit. I'll be looking forward with that.
All right, good, no problem. Okay, so Amitesh, what's your next
Yes,
plan?
I'm learning this part functions from the
Analytics.
advanced, yeah, analytics functions from the advanced SQL part.
Okay. All right, yeah,
Nitesh, you
that's
are
it.
in progress. Yeah, you can
Yeah,
carry on then.
Thank you, Chandan.
yeah, we can
Yeah,
stop
let's
sharing
stop
now.
sharing.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
yes.
Thank you.
Who will be the next?
So, shall I share my screen?
Yes. Amitesh, can you please just stop sharing?
I stopped sharing, Chandan.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, it took a little bit time. That's why. Okay, no problem. So, yeah, Shweta, can you just describe us?
Sweta, your screen is not visible. Yes, go to
Now,
the
sir.
Excel sheet. Excel sheet. Progress Excel sheet. Okay, so which one you have done? Completed e-commerce project. It is in progress. Okay, fine. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go to the coding part.
Sir, this is my currency coding, sir.
Okay.
So this is how, if I selected the same currency, it will
Okay.
not accept.
Which language you have used for?
Sorry,
Which language you have used for this project?
JavaScript, HTML, CSS. That's it, sir.
JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Fine. Go ahead.
Yes, like that. If I select, then I can get the output like this, sir.
Okay, go to the code. How you are converting this converter? Currency converter. Go to the code.
Before going to it, just one
Okay.
sec. Um,
Okay, run
Shweta,
it. Run it. Run it,
can
Sweta,
you run
eventually.
it into INR to USD?
Sorry.
Yeah, INR to USD. That is Indian rupees to US dollars.
Sure. I can get output for USD.
One sec, give me 1 minute.
Can you change that? Okay, wait.
Yeah, can you just put 100 rupees?
I think it is working. Yes.
Yeah, it is. It is
$1.2.
working. It is working.
That's
But
Yes,
why
sir.
code.
yeah,
If
so I will tell you one
150
thing
I
is,
enter, also it can rise.
yeah. So one more addition for this is whenever you're going for a currency converter, right?
Yes, sir.
As the currency rates usually increase every day or decrease every day, there will be a difference. There
Yes,
is
sir.
no fixed rate. Yesterday it can be $1 or 2 rupees, like 1.2 dollars, or tomorrow it can be 1.4 also. So
Yes, sir.
try to use it in or make it, you can say, dynamic. It will update from a daily basis, or from any stock market you can take it, like your exchange rates
Okay.
from, I guess, webull exchange rates is pretty accurate. It gives your daily time, you can take from
Okay.
there. But for now
Okay.
it's a very good progress. That's a little bit advanced part which I'm keeping you as just for a
Yes, sure,
knowledge
sir.
basis. As well as, yeah, as Chandan was saying, can you just go for the code?
Yes, sir.
Yes, as per Samar said, like you are good in progress. I think, yeah.
So
So
this is my code.
go to the your web page. Yes. Okay, fine. Go to the web page. Okay, fine. You are good in progress. You can carry on. Thank you. You can stop sharing. Who
Yes,
will be
sure,
the
sir.
next? Just Shweta, you what Samarth is said to you, right? Just you work on it, and it is a good suggestion actually, because
Okay, sure.
static hard coded you will write now, that will be complete up until and unless you will do change it. But dynamic you will keep, always it will give you the accurate output, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
so
Thank
you
you.
can take it as a positive and you can work on it. Yeah. Who is the
Yes, sir.
next remaining?
Right.
Yeah, Bishmaya, can you please share your progress?
I guess Bishmaya is the last person, right?
Hello. Yeah.
Okay.
Suman is also available.
Nice.
Yeah, Bishmaya,
Okay,
can you
so
please
many
share
also.
quickly?
Yes, sir. This is my Excel sheet.
Array list, linked list, and vector. So this array list, linked list, and vector, is this class interface object or what?
Uh, all these are classes. Collection framework implementation has one interface, collection interface, and
Yes.
collection interface has three implementation interfaces: list,
Okay.
set, and queue. And
Okay.
in list interface, we have three implementation classes: array list, linked list, and vector.
Yes. Because interface is there. They are having the properties, but directly we can't access it, right? We
Yes, sir.
must have to use their implementation class. Inside that
Yes.
class only we can redefine and we can create the object and we can use their features. Correct? Go to the code.
Yes, sir. I have created a practice with some
Go with first
examples.
array list. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Array list.
So,
I have
okay.
added some random properties. As I taken here as a generic as integer, it will not accept as
What?
string. If I'll
Which may, what
um,
is the importance of this generic concept over in this
generic, we are implicitly telling it is accepting this data.
which data?
When integer, if it will take as object, it will accept as objects.
No matter what is the importance, what is the features of generic? Can you explain a little bit? It is for your skills purpose only. Yeah, carry on.
Sir,
Like generic you have used over here now. So what is basic use of that generic? If you will not use generic, still you are able to add the data in the list, right?
yes, sir.
So what is the main use of this generic concept? You have used correctly. It is working also, right?
Yes.
What is the main use of this generic?
Sorry, sir. I'm not briefly.
Okay, okay, no issue. So just
I'll
you
I'll
can.
I'll know about today and let you
Okay,
know.
no issue, no issue. knowing everything is not possible, but if you don't know, that is correct. So you pick this one, you make a note, you start working and you overcome. That's it only, right? Means
Okay,
what?
sir.
Next day you will not have this you will be in a position to clarify to anyone, not only me or not over here only, anywhere, right? So it
Okay,
is for
yes, sir.
your purpose, it is for your progress only. I am telling, just go with this. What is the main use is generic because you have used output is coming. Can you run this one? Output will come
Yes, sir.
definitely. Run this. Yes. See, output is coming, right?
Yes, sir.
So please go with that
Retrieve
little
that.
bit description also, like if we are using, then what is the importance and because without generic we can also add into the array list,
Yeah,
right?
yes, sir.
Correct,
Yes.
right?
Hmm.
So what is the main important? Why we are moving to the generic concept? So just you check on it. If you will visit it, I can tell you right now also, but if you will visit at your end, you will have a lot of things to know, right?
Okay, sir.
So and the main basic use of this generic, I'm telling you that the main basic use of this generic is what? Like we are using data type, right?
Okay,
Primitive
sir.
data type. Primitive
Primitive
data
data.
means what? Int for integer, F for float, right?
Yes.
Character, Boolean is there, means what? We are defining the type of data, what kind of data it will hold. Correct or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
In the similar way, generic concept making the array list with a specified type means what? If you will put it over here integer, that is no matter, it is the class. Integer is a class, but you are making this array list which are specific to the integer only. Means
Integer only.
it will hold the integer object only.
Yes, sir.
Can you uncomment that one, line number 13?
Yes, sir. If I'll uncomment this, then I will
Un
getting an error.
Getting it, na? Can you point
Yes,
over
sir.
there? Point
Yeah.
that red cross, go to the red.
The method add integer in the type of array list is not applicable for the argument string.
Yes, because this is the string, right? But you made
Yes.
generic. So this is the beauty of this generic concept. Means
Yes, sir.
you can restrict the user to enter different type of data.
Yes, sir.
Suppose array list without generic concept, that is also having a good advantage because different data type we can access, we can store. But while coming to the operation, it will try to perform some operation. Na? In that case, that array list without generic concept will give us the error. Suppose uh, in the array list you stored float, integer, character, boolean also you can add, right? But
Yes, sir.
while if you want to like do the summation of the integer data available in the array list, you will face the issue.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because we are not able to access the data using what? Their index value. So even though if you will try to use access that using some built-in functions, in that case, we can't add integer with character. We can't add character with boolean, right? So
Yes.
that one was the issue. To overcome those one, we came with what? Generic concept. So it is making some particular type, either primitive or user defined, but it will define a particular type. That type it will hold. So please you go with this also, and you will have to learn a lot of things. You will learn over there, and most important, what is your next? So go with that LinkedIn
Linked list.
linked list. Yeah.
Similarly, I have added some random data and test cased all these practices
Over
with
here
this
also you have used generic consent, but you took the type as what? Object. Any
object.
type of data you
Any
can
type
hold.
of data, it is accepted.
Yes, any type. Thank you. Run this. Output is coming, right?
Yes, sir.
So iterator you have used, right?
Iterator, I have used
Okay, fine.
interface.
Okay, fine. Go ahead. Go to that. Another you have worked on vector, right? Go with
Vector.
that vector. Yes.
Vector.
Okay, run this one. So over here, right? Link array list, linked list, and vector.
Yes,
Stack.
sir.
Stack means what? All are having means they are having the same properties, same method we can apply because these are the coming under what? Collection framework, right? Collection
Collection frame.
interface,
Yes, sir.
collection interface.
Yes.
So that's the reason we can access all the properties like dot add. In the case of linked list, array list, and I think vector also, you are able to use it, right? So
Yes,
just little bit try to find out the difference also, because everything because the functions it is using the same over in entire implementation class. Then what is the main difference between this array list, linked list, and vector stack?
I guess, Chandan, we can pretty much wrap him up.
Okay, no issue. So I think you are good in progress, so you can stop sharing. Who is the next? Anyone else available?
Yes.
Who is that? Suman, yeah. Can you please quickly showcase?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. If anyone is
So,
remaining, can you please raise your hand? Yeah, go ahead.
I guess someone is only.
so yes, I am only thing. Just a minute. Share the Excel sheet.
Okay, go
Uh,
ahead. Array
yeah.
list, HTML,
So,
HTML. Go ahead, go ahead. Go to the
yes.
code.
Yes,
This
it
is
is the
array
array
list.
list code.
Run this. Output is coming, I
Yes.
think. Yes.
Yes.
Go to the student part.
Yes.
Where,
Sorry.
run that student project.
Okay. Student project. Okay.
Yes. Is that JSP
Uh,
part, right?
yes. Actually, actually working on that. Actually, the
No issue. Run this. No
DAO.
issue. Front end,
Yes.
just you run that front end. That's it.
Yes. Front end is just running. Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. So you are still
Okay.
working on this, right?
Yes. Still working and
Fine.
also pick up a new project. Also, it is some
First,
fold.
okay, no issue. First finish this one, then you can discuss
Okay.
on
Okay.
that. You are in progress. You can stop sharing. Is there
And also
yeah.
also done with HTML part last day discussion.
Okay.
The uh,
Have
tab
icon.
icon.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Run it.
Yeah. Uh, yes. So the icon is like that.
Yeah, showing, coming. Before 1 to 7 address. Yeah, that is coming. Okay, fine. You are in
Yes.
progress. You can stop sharing. You can carry on. Thank you. Is there
Okay.
anyone else remaining over here? Anyone else remaining over here?
Yeah, so I guess we have pretty much wrapped everyone for today.
Yes. We'll meet
And
tomorrow and utilize your time, work, and we'll check tomorrow. Thank you all.
yeah, thank you everyone.
So I
Have a good day.
have
Yeah.
Yes,
Who is that?
so Shweta here.
yes,
Yeah.
Shweta.
Sir, I didn't get my joining letter and offer. When
Yeah,
will I
Shweta.
get, sir?
Regarding that, I will let you know for today.
Yes, Samal. Please make
Yes, sure,
her
sure.
Yeah,
name.
I will check the
Yeah.
management and I will let you know.
Yes,
Okay.
sir,
Thank you all.
sure.
Yeah, thank you
Thank
everyone.
you.
Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.